are you? こんにちは皆さん。お元気ですか? Today I'm going to talk about some words, some vocabulary that people asked me. Well, the first of all, this is 合宿. 合宿 with this kanji. 合宿. Well, this we can pronounce 合わせます、合います。It means together. 宿 we can also pronounce 宿。うかんむり、人弁 and 百。This is 宿。宿 it means lodge. So together in the lodge. This is 合宿. Well, this word 合宿was already in around 1900 in that year, surround that year. And this 合宿means many people together to practice something. So we usually use this word in the sport. For example, when I was at school, I belonged to dance club. Then in summertime, there was dance 合宿. That means the girls that belonged in this dance club were together during 3 or 4 days, and we slept all together at school. That was at school, and we practiced dance from the morning till the night, like that. So 合宿, it's some kind of intensive exercise during short period of time. Usually we use in sports like karate no 合宿, right? But not only the sport, but also in business. For example, in some kind of enterprise can organize 合宿for their people to learn something special during 3 or 4 days. So 合宿, it is not only one day, but several days, because 宿, this is lodge, so it means not only one day, at least 2 days, right? But usually 3 days, or sometimes like 1 week, like that. For example, オリンピック合宿。オリンピック合宿。Can you imagine it? That is for Olympic games. So the athletics, the people were selected. So these people get together and they practice very, very intensively. This is 合宿. The next word is ボシケン。ボシケン。ボシケン with this kanji. Well, ボ with this 手辺. 手辺, it's something about the hand. And this part is 母. This means mother. But ボ, し and this し with, again 手辺 like this. And this part, ひ from the katakana, and ひ from the kanji, 日曜日 like this. Well, this し, it means fingers. And 剣, this is fist. And this kanji ぼ, you can also write without this 手辺, only the part of 母, only the part of the mother. This the both are okay? Like this ボシケン or with this ボシケン. Well, so, 剣 is fist. So what kind of fist is this? ボシ, well, ボシケン to make the ボシケン, the first you do セイケン the fist, but only this finger, this thumb, must just straight, and without the big pressure, the strong pressure to the index finger. like this. Can you see it? Fist and fist, but only this finger, this thumb is like this. So this is boshiken. And this boshiken is used to attack not only the body, but also to the eyes or the face. So that is boshiken. This is the one of the meaning. But boshi means this part of the hand. You know, here there is the this part. This is boshi with this one, this hard place. So this is boshi. Maybe you understand better with other word. Well, this is also pronounced boshi, right? Boshi. Just the same way in hiragana. But kanji is different because it's a different meaning. Well, here I used only the part of haha. And she, here, it was with tehen, it was about the hand. But this one, look, the left part is very similar to ashi, leg, or the feet. So this boshi, it's not thumb, but it's big toe. So boshi is big toe. With this kanji, this is the thumb, and this is big toe. And this word, gaihan boshi, with this word, maybe you can understand better what is the part of boshi. Well, gaihan boshi, this is a kind of sickness or illness. Well, gai, you know this gai, we can also pronounce soto, from like a soto uke. So soto, gai, it means outside, from the outside. So this is this bone of boshi is a little bit outside. Well, gaihan boshi, it means banyan. So banyan in the feet. Gaihan boshi. So now I think you know what part is this boshi. And in the hand, this is just like the part of banyan in the feet, right? So this part is boshi. So if you do some kind of tsuki with this part and this part, then because we call this part is boshi. So do you understand this part? I hope you understand what is boshiken. The next word, MizuNagare no KAMAE. MizuNagare no KAMAE. Well, KAMAE, this is the stance, position. With this kanji, a quite difficult one. KAMAE, position. MizuNagare, very poetic. Mizu, water. Nagare, it comes from nagaremasu, to flow. MizuNagare no KAMAE, so the water flows. The water doesn't go up, right? That always go down. So it's the same in this MizuNagare no KAMAE. From here, so not like this, because then the water, the water comes and stops here. So everything is to go under. To go here, and this hiji, and after to the hand. So not like this, like this. MizuNagare no KAMAE. And this is very, very similar to kagizuki, right? The position is the same. Kagizuki, this is the tsuki of hook, tsuki, kagizuki. The difference is MizuNagare no kamae, this is just a position. And for example, MizuNagare no kamae and Heian Godan or an MP, then you look at in the front, your view toward the front, right? But kagizuki, this is the same position, but if you do the kagizuki to your the left side, for example, you look at left side, right? Then like this. So the eyes in MizuNagare no kamae in the front, but kagizuki usually toward the direction that the tsuki goes. That's the little difference of MizuNagare no kamae and kagizuki. Do you think this video was useful for you? If so, please write me some quick commentary. And if you have any questions, maybe you can ask in the commentary too. If I can answer, if I think it's possible that I can answer, then I may make a video about it. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe me. And if you share my videos with your friends, that will be very, very, very nice. I hope you share my videos with your friends. Well, thank you very much. 今日もどうもありがとうございます。では、チャンネル登録といいねボタンと、そしてコメント、それから私のビデオを友達とシェアしていただけたらとてもとても嬉しいです。お願いします。じゃあまたね。バイバイ。